In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious mini croissants recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of warm milk, 1/4 cup of oil, 1 cracked egg, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1½ tablespoon of salt, 1 whole egg, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, and ½ cup of cheese. To the milk, we're going to add in the sugar and the yeast and mix well. Cover with a towel and let sit for 5 minutes. In a bowl, we're going to combine together the flour, and the salt, but leave ½ teaspoon of salt for later. Add in the egg and distribute well. Now we are going to add in our yeast milk mixture. Add in the oil and save a couple of drops for later. Knead until the dough forms. Once our dough is formed, we're going to use our remaining oil to coat the bowl and place the dough back in. Cover with plastic wrap and a towel. We're going to let this rest for 50 minutes. We're going to take our dough out onto a floured surface and knead together. We're going to cut our dough into 4 equal pieces. Shape each of the 4 pieces into a smooth ball. Use a rolling pin to flatten out the ball. Cut the dough into 12 equal pizza slice shapes. We're going to roll up the triangles tightly, starting from the bigger end. Place the mini croissants on a baking sheet. In a bowl, we're going to crack the whole egg and beat until smooth. Add in the remaining salt and continue beating. Brush this egg mixture over the croissants. Top with sesame seeds and cheese. Let rest for 40 minutes. We're going to bake this in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Our mini croissants are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy!